Hey there, welcome back. Josh Hardy here with Hardy Brothers Outdoors. I've got a little bit of a different type of review today than we normally do. And today I finally got in the mail some new LED garage lamps. So my plan is to use these at the cabin in the new pole barn. And I've heard good things about some of these, what they call deformable LED lamps. And so this was my first attempt at buying some. I've looked at them at Home Depot and Lowe's and other places and just couldn't really pull the trigger on the, what looked like to be a $25 light bulb. And so I went to Amazon and did some searching around there, and this was the cheapest package that I could find. These are down to $10.50 a bulb, and for one of the lamps. Each lamp has 5 lit surfaces, a center one, and 4 wings that can be shaped and moved. So I'll show you those in a second. The cheapest that I could find, anything else close, was $12 to buy one individually. The 2-pack was actually $26, so actually more expensive to buy 2 of them, and this was from a different brand. These are made by Cynlink, C-Y-N-L-I-N-K. They're white. They are, says 5 light sources with more uniform and soft light. 4 LED panel heads can be adjusted. Each light can be folded up to 90 degrees. And so let's take a look at these real quick. They claim to be 6,000 K, so daylight. Very bright, kind of white light, good for environments where you want to have lots more activity. You're not napping there. So great for garages, shops, that sort of thing. So here's what it looks like when it comes out of the box. This is the bottom of it, and it can fold out to these wings, and then you basically have a normal outlet or a socket. I think they call it an E26 outlet. The cool thing is, depending on where you're putting it, you may need more clearance, and they come with this little extender. So there's 4 extenders and 4 bulbs in this this package. And so I'm about to go out and see how they look out in the garage. So it's LED. It's only 60 watts. So this amount of light is going to be the same as a 60 watt bulb. I think I have a 60 watt incandescent out in the garage still, believe it or not. And then I have a equivalent compact fluorescent. So it's probably, if I had to guess, I think it's either a 13 or 13 watts or something like that, one of the curly ones. We haven't had great luck with LED bulbs in a lot of our cam lights around the house, or bulbs that, in the compact fluorescents were even worse. So at $10 a bulb, for one of these, I feel like that's a pretty good deal. So let's see here. Maximum coverage can angle to 360 degrees. Let's see, shine them where you want to shine them. 6,000 LM high lumen output. Make it a super bright LED bulb. Garage lights can save up to 85% compared with traditional garage light bulbs. Let's see, it did say E26 standard base. No wiring, no tools, no professional electricians. And so if you're wondering how many Hardy Brothers does it take to screw in a light bulb, we're about to find out. So, but like to believe it only takes 1. But let's go take a look to see what that garage looks like now without this bulb, and then we'll do a view afterwards. So let's go check that out. Go through the laundry room here to the garage. Let's see what we got out here. Okay, so the garage is dark. My Chamberlain garage door opener is going to pop on. Let's get rid of that. So we're going to turn that off, and then close this door behind me so we can get a good view of what we're working with here. So right now, this is what the garage looks like. There's a 3-car garage, and the 2 lights on this side are I guess it looks like about a 10-foot ceiling. My garage door light's gonna keep popping on. I'm actually not even gonna mess with changing this bulb over here because it's on about a 10-foot or higher ceiling, and I don't wanna dig out the ladder right now. But we're gonna take a look and see what it looks like without it. And I believe I ought to be able to angle some light over there to light that area up anyway. So let's see what we've got here. Get rid of this garage light, keeps popping on. And it's going to do that because it's on a motion sensor. I don't think I can shut it off completely. So let's go ahead and get these two bulbs changed out right here with the new ones and see what we've got. Okay, just for fun, we're going to try one without the extension on it and one with it. So we'll go ahead and do this incandescent bulb here without. See if we can get it to fit. Bulb's starting to heat up. One Hardy brother to remove a bulb. Whoa, that's bright. Okay, let's get this other one. This is the compact fluorescent that I mentioned. And that is 23 watt, 1600 lumens. We're going to put the extender on this one. I don't even need to go all the way up now. Ooh, that is bright. I'm going to shake these up a little bit here. And maybe, yeah, let's leave it like that. Let's see what we've got. Can't hardly see anymore. Whew. Those are bright. All right, so let's flip on the lights here. Light switch. Get rid of that garage light that keeps popping on. So it's quite a bit brighter here. Let's see what we can see. Over here, we're getting some spillover light in here. Yeah, significantly brighter. And I think I might put this one on the down extender because of the way that this soffit is here. I think we could probably get some more light cast towards the garage if we did that. So while I haven't used them for a long period of time, I just got them today. They're pretty bright. I'm looking forward to putting these in the pole barn, and I highly recommend them. I'll put a link in the description to the Amazon link that you can purchase them. $42 for 4 of them if you're a Prime member, free shipping. Thanks for watching.